So hello guys, I told y'all I would come back and show y'all the finishing results. Look at Gino. Gino is a hater. Hater. You a hater. Why you do this when the video come up? No. You can't make me pick you up. Y'all see this? You can't make me pick you up. Okay, stay. Come on. See this? He wants and demand to be picked up. See? He's a hater. What you want to say? Okay, they see it. Could I show them the dress? Okay, so again, guys, I showed y'all the pattern in the first video, how to make the sweetheart. So just take your regular bias and put it on the fold. Cut out the sweetheart shape. And this is a, I believe this leather got a 4-way stretch. And y'all know I can't say that. But, hey, don't make fun of me. So I got it off of eBay. So this is 2 yards. It didn't take 2 yards, but I was going to do a pantsuit, but I decided to do this. So I had a little bit left over. And it has so much spandex in it. I didn't even have to put a zipper in it. There's no zipper in it at all. So y'all can see the puffy sleeves, and I did connect the sleeves, so you don't got to be looking for your sleeves later where they at. So this is the finishing results. And the one the Instagram model had on hers was really squinched in like this. But a lot of times when you have bigger breasts, for me that look be looking kind of sexy, but I don't know, sometimes that look be looking kind of. So what do y'all think? I don't know, I guess you can tie it off, take some, so after you make it you could take some leather, bring it around, and then rope it around, and then sew it down if you want that look. But a lot of times it be almost feeling like your boob's going to fall out. But this way, I feel secure. Ain't got to worry about boobs and them falling out. So, this is the finishing results. Bye-bye, guys. Toodles! Okay, guys. Here go a couple pictures. I love this dress. So, again, if you want it to be a deeper sweetheart, you can do that. But I think when you got bigger busts, it kind of looks weird or feel like your breast is going to fall out. So I didn't do the deep split down the middle. But if you want to do it, you see how I just grabbed up the fabric in between and do it. You guys can do it. But if you got bigger breasts, then you want to add the scraps to it, because it will feel like it's going to fall. But that's how you would do it. You'll just use some elastic and bring it down to do the elastic, and it'll have that effect on it. Alrighty, or cut it lower. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.